Hello friends, welcome to Geography Hub. Today we will discuss about the Peninsular Plateau. We were discussing the chapter Structure and Physiography. In that, Himalaya and Northern Plains we had already discussed in our previous video. The link of those previous videos you can get from the description box. The formation of Peninsular Plateau. The formation of Peninsular Plateau was from the drifting of Gondwana land. We know that Indo-Australian plate had drifted from the African continent, and this led to the highlands in Central and Deccan region. And this plate had collided with the Eurasian plate, and this led to the formation of highland and folding mountains of Himalaya. The average height, let us see the physiography. Average height is 600 meters to 900 meters. Garo Rajmahal Gap, that is between the Meghalaya region and the Central Highlands. That is also known as Malda Faults. And let us see the expansion of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau has the expansion from Delhi in northwest, Aravalli Hills, here Western Ghats, Gujarat, Eastern Ghats till Chota Nagpur Plateau, and it combines with Meghalaya of Shillong Plateau. Okay, and the north and east slope. It is having the northward and eastward slope. Means this here, northward and eastward slope in the northern direction. In the northern direction, the plateau is having the slope towards north and east. But in southern direction, means in southern part, it is having the slope towards eastern coast. Okay, and we can divide the peninsular plateau into three main divisions. They are Central Highlands, this region, Northeastern Plateau region, this region, and Deccan Plateau, this one. Okay, now let us discuss these parts one by one. First, take the Central Highland. Central Highlands covers this area. Central India means the area of Madhya Pradesh, this lower part of Uttar Pradesh, upper part of Maharashtra, here Rajasthan, and here Odisha and Chhattisgarh. These areas are covered by Central Highlands. Okay, Central Highlands is north of Narmada area. Narmada and the area of Malwa. Malwa Plateau lies in the Central Plateau region. Okay, and southern part. Its southern part is Vindhya range. Aravalli is in west, Satpura range is in north, and it is metamorphized. Means when there are three types of rocks: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. When the sedimentary rocks metamorphize, they form the metamorphic rocks. That we will discuss in fundamentals of geography. And then come to the northeastern plateau region. Northeastern plateau region, this one, this area. This area is, as we had taken the example of Ram, means Ranchi and this Meghalaya Hills. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand and Meghalaya here. This is the fault which separates the northeastern plateau region with central plateau region. Okay, and here we will find limestone and uranium in a high quantity. Iron and coal are also found. Only this region in the world is a region where iron and coal both are found at a same place. Hence, it increases the economic value very much. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya is the live example. In Cherrapunji, what we will see, there is high rainfall, but then also there is low water level. Why? Because there are hard rocks. The water do not go in the bedrocks. Underground water is not there. That's the main problem of Cherrapunji, and Cherrapunji lakes in water. But then too, it is having the highest rainfall in the world. This city is having the highest rainfall in the world because the monsoon gets burst here. Okay, that we will discuss in our climate chapter. Deccan Plateau region. Deccan Plateau region is this region, southern Indian region. This is having the eastern and western ghats. These are western ghats and these are eastern ghats. Eastern Ghats, you will see that they had broken. Why? Why they had broken? They had broken because of rivers. Because the rivers are falling in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and it is having the average elevation of 1500 meter to 2695 meters. Average elevation. What are the main rivers? Main rivers are Mahanadi and Godavari. They are the main rivers in the Deccan Plateau region. And which plateau consists the Peninsular Plateau? Mainly Hazaribagh Plateau, this Ranchi Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Palamu Plateau. These forms the plateau region of Peninsula region. Okay, whole peninsula. Peninsula we had discussed. It is a landmass which is covered three sides by water. Okay, and eastern. Now we will discuss about the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, this region, extended from Gujarat to Kerala. Western Ghats are from the river Tapi to Cape Cameron. Tapi is river here and till Cape Cameron. Cape Cameron is the another name of Kanyakumari. And Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri. And basaltic rocks will be found here. Western Ghats we will get three major ghats. They are Thal Ghat, Bor Ghat and Pal Ghat. The railway passes from Mumbai, Nagpur and Kolkata will pass from the Thal Ghat. And Mumbai, Pune and Coimbatore railway is passing from Bor Ghat. Pal Ghat. Pal Ghat is between Nilgiri and Annamalai. The railway which passes from Pal Ghat is Calicut to Coimbatore railway. Okay. Now let us take the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats, they are having many cuts. Why? They are having the many cuts because the rivers are passing from Eastern Ghats and they are flowing their water in Bay of Bengal. Okay, and which rivers are there? Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. This is the highest peak in Vizag. Zindagada is the highest mountain present in the Eastern Ghats. Its height is 1690 meters. Okay, and let us see some of the major features of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is a blocked mountain. Blocked mountain means if we see some blocks, there are some blocks. Okay, then what will happen in block mountains? This block will range A, B and C. This region will be known as block mountain because it had got uplifted. Okay, or this condition may also be there. If this is A, this is B and this is C, then A and C will be the blocked mountain. Here block mountains are there. Okay, and Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, they are here in Rajasthan. Okay, they are found in pre-Cambrian age. And Guru Shikhar in Mount Abu is the highest mountain it is the highest mountain peak. Its height is 1722 meters. Okay, this is for the Peninsular Plateau. In next video, we will discuss about the coastal islands. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to Geography Hub. Thank you so much.